Hello, everybody. Welcome back to your Phonetics class. Today is the class number 9. Today, we're going to learn something really important. Today, we're going to learn the R sound in British and American accent. So, this is me, Purnata. So, without wasting any time, let's go to our today's topic. So, today, we are going to learn how to pronounce the R sound in British and American accent. But before learning that, we need to learn how to pronounce the R sound. Let's train your mouth step by step. So, first of all, our lip position. Our lip will be a little bit round. Check this out. R, R, R. See? The lip is not that much round, but enough to make the sound R, R. Now, our tongue position. Suppose you're eating a spoonful of peanut butter. And you guys know that peanut butter is really sticky. And when you're eating it, you're trying to fix your mouth with your tongue. Here, we do kind of the same thing, but we do not touch the alveolar ridge of our mouth. I mean, the upper part of our mouth. Like this. R, R, R. Okay, so now let's check some examples. At the first letter. River, river. Red, red. Roses, roses. And in the middle, all right, all right. Program, program. 3, 3. So at the end, father, father. Mother, mother. Brother, brother. Sister, sister. So these are the examples you can see, you can practice. So now I can give you one sentence. Royd has a red car. Royd has a red car. So I hope you got how to pronounce the R sound. And now we're going to learn how to pronounce the R sound in British and American accent. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to give you some rules to pronounce the R sound in the British accent. Rule number 1. We don't pronounce the R sound when the sound is at the end of a word. For example, car, car. Far, far. See, we are not pronouncing the R sound. I hope you got it. So rule number 2. We don't pronounce the R sound when there's a consonant sound after the R sound. Check this out. 13, 13. See, we don't pronounce the R sound. 13. Okay, so rule number 3. Well, we do pronounce the R sound when it is at the end of a word, but the next word starts with a vowel sound. Well, you'll maybe look stunned because we say that we don't pronounce the R sound in British accent when it is at the end of a word, but here we do when there is a vowel sound next to it. So, check this. Far away, far away. See, in a rapid speech, it's going to sound like far away, far away. The same way, car alarm, car alarm. See, they just connect themselves. So, now we can go to the American accent. Well, the only rule of American accent is that they always pronounce the R sound clearly and strongly. So check this out. Car, car in British accent. And car, car in American accent. See, they pronounce the R sound. So let's see 2 examples in this sentence so that you can find the difference. So, number 1, let's do it. In British accent, car, car. In American accent, car, car. Again, in British accent, far, far. In American accent, far, far. You can see that. So now I'm going to give you a sentence so that you can find the difference by yourself. Royd has a new red car. Royd has a new red car in British accent. And in American accent, Royd has a new red car. Royd has a new red car. So now you can see that, the difference. There's a lot of difference in British and American accent. So that's all for today. And I hope you got everything about the R sound. So don't get confused with the British and American accent next time. So that's all for today. Stay with SpeakUp. Bye.